30 minutes to go, 2 miles. These two been arguing the whole 2 hours. All done. Yeah, so on the way home, y'all getting in the car with your mammies. We have made it, finally. We found a place to park, which is ridiculously expensive, but what are you gonna do, right? And by the time we got here, we didn't even care. It's like, just hurry up. So, the boardwalk is down that way. We're gonna find a prime spot. Oh, I'm so happy. Happy to be at the beach. Now we just gotta find a place to squat. This sand is hot. Hot. Found our spot for the day. We got a big tray of chicken, because you know, when kids be wanting something to eat. We got lunch meat in there to make sandwiches, and water, and juice, and chips. We ready. We got the ocean. It's not the pretty Caribbean color, but that's all right. I'll take it.
No, it's not done, boy. No.
Go find the other buckets. What you making? Why are you pouring water on me? Finding it funny to dump water on me. Trying to keep up with all these kids. Yep. They trying to bury Uncle in the sand. It's gonna take forever. Got another burial going on over there.
My legs can't move. I can't move my legs.
Now you see what it feels like to have no legs. This one keep counting kids every 30 seconds.
I'm not losing nobody child.
How you gonna get out? That bird gray get you.
That bird move. I'm gonna die.
Hey, you stuck in there.
Oh man.
They going.
Huh?
You're gonna be real dark in the face. We got funnel cake. It's like the best part of the beach. Oh, I can't wait. So good. They feeding these birds. Now it's like a whole bird gang around here. Came up to the boardwalk. Want to get some boardwalk fries and some lemonade. They got saltwater taffy too. I love saltwater taffy. I tell y'all, it's hot out here. It is hot out here. It's like 90 degrees today. So it's like, whoop.
My sweet summer's gone. She left me here with sand in my bed. She played me all night long, but I do it all over again. Whoa. My sweet summer's gone, and on my mirror she made it clear lipstick can't be wrong. My summer, my sweet summer is gone. My sweet summer is gone.
What's the weather outside the day we met? Blue was the color of skies the day she left.
Sure was the time we had, it was the best. Cause long were the nights we spent with no rest. I met her on a Friday, she left on a Monday. Wrote me a letter, said she hoped to see me someday. We had a good time, I can't deny that. You could be my sunshine every time you fly back.
There's another one you're loving, and I hate to see you go. My sweet summer's gone. She left me here with sand in my bed. She played me all night long, but I do it all over again. Oh, my sweet summer's gone, and all my men, she made it clear her lipstick can't be wrong. My summer, summer, my sweet summer is gone. My sweet summer is gone.
Yeah, she left in the morning, gone without warning. Fun while it lasted, lost in the moment. She played me real good, took me for a ride. Now she's off on an aeroplane, back to real life. Yeah, she dipped out, smoked on my weed, then she flipped out. Left in my slumber, waited till I passed out. And on my dresser was a paper and her number. I filled it up with grass and I burned it for summer.
Cause there's another one you're loving, and I hate to see you go. My sweet summer's gone. She left me here with sand in my bed. She played me all night long, but I do it all over again. Oh, my sweet summer's gone, and all my men, she made it clear her lipstick can't be wrong. My summer, summer, my sweet summer is gone. My sweet summer is gone.